Now let us learn fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which they occur. This is the statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We know composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors, and it states that every composite number can be expressed as product of its prime factors, and that factorization will be unique. You cannot change the prime factorization of that number. Let us take an example of 72. We have factorized 72 starting from the smallest prime factor 2. We get prime factorization of 72 as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Now let us change the order of prime factors. We start from factor 3, and for prime factor 72 you will get 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. We see that in these two cases the prime factors are remaining the same, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. We cannot change the prime factors of 72. This is what fundamental theorem of arithmetic states. Now using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we can find HCF and LCM of two or more numbers. This is how it goes. Let us take an example. HCF and LCM of 144, 180 and 192 we are supposed to find. First, prime factorize all the three numbers 144, 180 and 192. What we get from prime factorization of these three numbers, 144 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. 180 equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. 192 equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. Now, to find HCF, what we are supposed to do, find the common factors of these three numbers, or the numbers that will be given to you. Common factors with smallest powers. Here we find that 2 and 3 are common factors of 144, 180 and 192, and the smallest power of 2 that is common to all these three is 2 to the power 2, and smallest power of 3 is 1. So the HCF of 144, 180 and 192 will be equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. That comes out to be 12. Now for LCM, list all the prime factors with their greatest power. So 2 has the greatest power 6 here, 3 has the greatest power 2 and 5 has greatest power 1. So LCM of 144, 180 and 192 equal to 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. That comes out to be 2880. Once again I am repeating, to find HCF of two or more numbers, find the common factors with smallest power, and for finding LCM, all prime factors with their greatest power gives the LCM of two or more numbers. This is how fundamental theorem of arithmetic is applicable to find HCF and LCM of two or more numbers. Let us have an assignment on the same. Before the assignment, one more formula that you need to remember, important formula. If M and N are HCF and LCM of two numbers A and B, then A into B will be equal to M into N. That is, product of two numbers will be equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Remember, this formula is not applicable for more than two numbers. Now, based on these, let us have the assignment. Find HCF and LCM of following numbers and verify HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. A, it is 26 and 91. B is 510 and 92. HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. Find LCM of 306 and 657. Thank you.